A for Ayodhya Rama, B for Bhargava Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishwara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Hanumanta Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Jagatmaka Rama, K for Kaushalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Maithili Rama, N for Narasimha Rama, O for Omkara Rama, P for Purushottama Rama, Q for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taraka Rama, U for Udatta Rama, V for Vasistha Rama, W for Vaikunta Rama, X for Vishendra Rama, Y for Yogita Rama, Z for Janahita Rama. Rama Rama